Oh, under your teeth. We're not doing chopsticks.
Hey man, what happened to you?
Okay, push on them.
This way, Alex. He went through the trees already. It's taking too long. This way, the trees are right there. Follow me, straight ahead. Yeah, he got it.
Stop fighting it.
All the way across, inside. Yeah, that's it. Faster, man. I'm coming up right behind you. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Take those jumps?
Yeah.
Okay, which jumps?